Shifting our focus to what's happening in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Now, Karni Sena has organized a massive public meeting in Agra to mark the birth anniversary of the 16th century Rajput ruler Rana Sanga. Now, the event, which will focus on the theme of Kshatriya Samman, will also serve as a platform to respond strongly to the recent controversial statement made by Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman in the parliament. Now, the rally comes weeks after a row ignited by the Samajwadi Party member of parliament Ramji Lal Suman's remarks during a recent parliamentary session. His comments have sparked outrage across the Rajput community, with BJP leaders Karni Sena and various Hindu organizations accusing Suman of insulting both Rajput pride and the Hindu sentiments. Joining me live on the ground is Riyanka. But before we go to Riyanka, let's also listen into what are the demands of the Karni Sena leaders who are staging a massive protest in Agra.
मैडम, पिछले साल 14 अप्रैल में इसी तरह का गुजरात में एक रतनपुर में रूपाला के विरुद्ध में इतनी पब्लिक जमा हुई थी, लेकिन गुजराती में टिटोड़ी के अंडे भी हमने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किए थे। ये हम क्षत्रियों की खानदानी है, क्योंकि अनुशासन हम बनाते हैं। लेकिन जब बात हमारे मान सम्मान पे आती है और इसी हर बार कोई ना कोई क्षत्रियों के विरोध में कमेंट करता है, इसने तो पूरे सनातन के लिए कमेंट किया है। और ये बात हमको ये ताज्जुब होता है, मेरे माननीय आदरणीय मोदी जी पूरे विश्व में डंगा बजाते हैं, बराबर। वो मान मर्यादा में तो नंबर 1 है, तो इन्होंने अभी तक कोई प्रतिक्रिया नहीं दी है।
अभी जो परिस्थिति है, जो भारत देश में जो परिस्थिति खड़ी हुई है, अलग अलग पार्टी के अलग अलग नेता लोग जो इतिहास के बारे में जो कुछ बोलते हैं, उनको पहले तो पता नहीं होता इतिहास की, उनको ज्ञान नहीं होता है। और जो राज्यसभा यानी सर्वोच्च सभा जो होती है, उसमें बैठ के ये सब बोलते हैं, तो इनको इतना बोलना चाहते हैं कि हमारे पूर्वजों ने जो दिया है ना, वो तुम्हारे औकात से बाहर है। हमारे पूर्वजों ने राजे रजवाड़े सभी समाज के लिए दिए थे। और अभी उत्तर प्रदेश में परिस्थिति क्या है? अखिलेश यादव बोलता है कि दलित की लड़ाई है, ये बोलता है इसकी लड़ाई, ये दलित और इसकी लड़ाई नहीं है, ये पूरे भारत देश की लड़ाई है। क्योंकि राणा सांगा जी ने जब बलिदान दिया ना, जो लड़ाई लड़ते थे तो एक समाज के लिए नहीं लड़ते थे, तो सभी समाज के लिए लड़ते थे। इसीलिए इस बार ये पूरा राजपूत समाज तो है, परंतु सनातनी समाज भी यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हुआ है। 5 बजे तक का समय इसको दिया है और इसके मुखिया अखिलेश को भी दिया है हमने। और अखिलेश को बोलना चाहते हैं कि आपके अंदर बुद्धि नहीं है, आपके संसद सभ्य को बोल नहीं सकते कि माफी मांग ले, आपके सांसद सभ्य को निकाल नहीं सकते।
All right, joining me live on the broadcast is Riyanka, who's reporting from Agra, where the protest by the Karni Sena is being held. Riyanka, it seems like a protest is only growing louder. The protesters are demanding not just an apology from the Samajwadi Party member of parliament, but also his resignation as a member of parliament from Rajya Sabha. What is the situation on the ground right now?
Well, let us give you an update on the situation. To be precise, 5 p.m. was the ultimatum, the timing given by the Karni Sena, which had said that they demand an apology from the Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman, I beg your pardon. And then they said that if he does not apologize, the entire crowd which has joined in for the protest will be moving towards his residence, which is nearly 15 kilometers from this very spot. But as of now, it is, past 5, but there is no such movement that is visible of the protest. It looks like some sort of a decision is being taken. There are conversations happening, given the fact that one of the MLAs from Agra has in fact arrived, and it looks like there is a conversation is going on. We are showing you the visuals of from outside the particular tented structure. You can see large number of people who had come in here, the youth, the Karni Sena members, the supporters, all had joined in. Some of them you can see, if we zoom in a bit, on top of this tented structure, they are sitting on the tents. They have climbed up the structure, and this is basically the show of strength of the Kshatriyas that we can probably understand at this point in time. Although we are awaiting whether or not there is some movement that takes place from this particular area towards Ramji Lal's residence, but there is also another 6 layer of barricading which has been maintained there. In fact, there is a presence of security and police force that continues to be stationed here. we will pan out and show you the security force at the moment who are standing in right behind me. But it looks like somewhere, the crowd has started moving. There is some movement towards the crowd. Let us show you. The people are moving outside of the tent. Looks like there is some movement that is happening as of now. You can see. Okay, it looks like there has been some infighting within the people here. You can see the crowd has become a bit rowdy. There is some infighting that is going on. There are, these youth, they are carrying lathis. The matter looks a little tensed here. As you can see, we are showing from our visuals the protest which was going on peacefully right now. It looks like it has become a little tensed. There is some infighting between the people who have come in here. But sure, they are not moving towards the Samajwadi Party Samajwadi Party MP's residence as of now. This is just the movement of the infighting that has happened in between the people who have been protesting. We are continuing to show you these images. There is a bit of disturbance here, but the anger is already there. The anguish is already mounting the people here. They are very angry about the sentiments that have been heard, the statements that have been made against Rana Sanga by the Samajwadi Party MP, and no responsibility taken by Akhilesh Yadav on the other note. But you can see in my frame there are people who are running towards one end. Although these visuals we are showing, it looks like the crowd has become a little bit of rowdy here. They're carrying sticks. But for now, we will also assure that there are policemen who are stationed to control all of this situation. That might go out of hand, but we continue to report the minute-to-minute details from the ground.
Right, Priyanka, keep talking to us because the situation seems to be going out of hand now. Like you mentioned, 5 p.m. was the deadline that the Karni Sena protesters had given to the Samajwadi Party MP to not just apologize but also give up on his position of the Member of Parliament from Rajya Sabha, and that surely hasn't seemed to have happened. Akhilesh, meanwhile, has responded to the protest that is taking place in Agra right now. Riyanka continues to stay with me. Riyanka, please take us through what's happening on the ground. It seems like the security has been increased after there was some ruckus and chaos that was witnessed.
That's right. We are continuing to show you the visuals. Even I'm trying to ascertain what exactly has happened, given I'm standing at a bit of a safer vantage point, not getting into the crowd, because they are carrying lathis and sticks along with them. There are talwars also that we have seen some of the members of the Rajput section. They are also carrying their talwars in a show of strength of the Kshatriyas. But looks like the situation for now is still under control. They are just protesting from inside the tent. They have moved outside now. There are people who continue to raise their voice against the insult, the humiliation that have been faced and that has been created, which the Karni Sena is saying that the Samajwadi Party MP must apologize, and rather he must be taken off from his position from the Rajya Sabha. But most of the crowd, most of the leaders are still inside the tented zone. These are the members of the Karni Sena. Few of the members who have come out, it was some sort of a chaos in between the people who are protesting here. Although the policemen are well stationed, we will try and move a bit towards where the security is standing. We are trying to show all
इधर अपने मंच की तरफ जाइए, हम लोग कार्रवाई करेंगे। आप हम लोग पे विश्वास रखिए, किसी ने जेब काटी है तो उस पर हम लोग कार्रवाई करेंगे, पर जेब कतरे को आप लोग हमारे पास छोड़ दीजिए, हम उसको अपनी तरफ से देखेंगे। ठीक है, आप लोगों से अपील है।
All right, so Riyanka getting us the ground reports from Agra in Uttar Pradesh, where a massive march is being held by the Karni Sena. They are demanding an apology from the Samajwadi Party MP, wherein he made remarks in the parliament insulting Rana Sanga. We're also getting in many reactions on that story. Listen in.
इसलिए हमसे पंगा लेना रामजिला तुम्हें महंगा पड़ेगा। आज तो तुम जाकर के दिल्ली में छुप गए, लेकिन जिस दिन बाहर आओगे दिल्ली कब तक बैठे रहोगे? जब तुम आगरा आओगे और तुम्हारे पीछे कौन सा सुखदेव सिम्टोमेटिक कब पड़ जाएगा तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा, और तुम्हारे गले में जूते चप्पलों की माड़ा और ताड़ा मुतेरा हो जाएगा। तब जाके तुझे शांति मिलेगी और तब जाके हमें भी शांति मिलेगी।
In fact, also getting in a reaction from the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who has denounced these protests, calling them as a ploy by the BJP to target the Samajwadi Party. Listen in to that statement from Akhilesh Yadav.
ये मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि प्रशासन रामविलास सुमन जी के सम्मान और रामविलास सुमन जी के ऊपर किसी तरह का अपमान का व्यवहार नहीं कर पाएंगे। और अगर अभी भी सरकार ने खुली छूट दे रखी है तो सरकार इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है, सरकार ही इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है।